You're watching How Leap. Let's see how to share your iPhone screen during a WhatsApp video call to show photos, apps, or websites. Start a regular WhatsApp video call with the person you want to share your screen with. Once the call is connected, swipe down from the top right of your screen to open the control center. Tap the screen recording button, which looks like a circle within a circle. If you don't see it, go to Settings, then Control Center, and add Screen Recording to your included controls. Press and hold the screen recording button. A menu will pop up. At the bottom of this menu, tap WhatsApp. This ensures the audio and video are routed correctly. Tap Start Broadcast. A 3-second countdown will begin, and then your entire iPhone screen will be shared within the video call. The other person will see your screen instead of your face. You can now open any app, browse the web, or show photos. To stop sharing, tap the red time indicator at the top of your screen and confirm. Or open the control center again and tap the red screen recording button. You will return to the normal video call view. This feature is perfect for remote tech help, presentations, or sharing moments. For more simple WhatsApp tutorials, subscribe to the channel.